Have you ever asked yourself, where do I even start with self-improvement? I did. For years, I felt stuck in a cycle of watching motivational videos, taking notes, and changing nothing. I kept waiting for the perfect system, the right timing, the spark. It never came. Until one day, I stopped consuming and started creating my own plan. The truth? You don't need someone else's blueprint. You need a system that fits you. So here's the step-by-step method that finally moved the needle for me. Step 1, clarity. What are the 3 core areas of your life you want to grow in health, mindset, skills, relationships? Write them down. Step 2, why? Dig deep. What's the emotional reason you want to improve these? If it doesn't move you, you won't move for it. Step 3, daily habits. Build 1 micro habit for each area, not 10, just 1. Step 4, track it. A simple habit tracker on your phone or journal makes your effort visible. Step 5, reflect weekly, not with guilt, but with curiosity. What's working? What needs adjusting? According to James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, identity-based habits, tiny actions that align with who you want to become create lasting change. That's the difference. You're not chasing goals, you're becoming the kind of person who achieves them. So instead of waiting for the next big motivational push, build a system that keeps moving even when your motivation fades. Start small, stay consistent, because this time, the plan isn't out there, it's in your hands.